Hello friends, in this video we will see the law of parallelogram. So first we will see the here statement. The law states that if two vectors are represented by the adjacent sides of parallelogram, then the resultant vector or the diagonal of the parallelogram is equal to the vector sum of the two adjacent vectors. So we will see here with the help of diagram. The two vectors represented by the adjacent side. So first vector is draw here horizontal having P, then its adjacent vector is Q, okay, and its angle included is theta in between the two vectors, that is P and Q. If we draw the parallelogram through the Q vector and P vector, draw two lines which is meet at one point. You can see here with the help of these dotted lines. Then its diagonal is nothing but the resultant R, and its angle with the horizontal vector P is alpha. So this is the law of parallelogram. We will see here the proof of this. So diagonal naming is A and B. So we will see here the proof. So for proof, draw one vertical line which is passing through this B point and another horizontal line which is passing through this vector P, and where it is meet, it is perpendicular both each other, and give the naming is C. Then the Q vector is parallel to this BD and equal and parallel. Also P vector is parallel to this horizontal P vector and is parallel. This is B at the B point. Then the angle included in this BD and CD is theta. Then here diagonal AB is represented by R, which is nothing but the resultant. Then BD is nothing but the equal and opposite Q vector, that is Q. Then DC is unknown here and BC is unknown here. So we have to find the DC and BC, then we'll get the resultant R. So for that, in triangle BDC, so how to find this BC and DC unknown? With the help of sin theta and cos theta. Theta is included angle between the BD and CD. So sin theta is what? Front side upon hypotenuse. Front side is here, is a BC divided by BD. But BD is known, BD is Q. So again simplify this equation, or Q is multiplied with the sin theta, then BC is equals to Q sin theta. Then cos theta is equals to adjacent side DC divided by hypotenuse BD. So hypotenuse is Q here, and multiply this Q with cos theta, will get the DC is Q cos theta. So BC and DC, once it is known, then go for the triangle ABC. AC length is AD plus DC. AD is known, AD is nothing but the vector P. So P plus DC is already we calculated here the Q cos theta. So put this value P plus Q cos theta. So this is the AC. BC is known, then applying the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is what? Hypotenuse square is equals to two adjacent side square. So AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. AB is R, represented by R. R is nothing but the resultant of this parallelogram. BC is nothing but the vector P, so P plus Q cos theta. So this is the AC. BC is known, then applying the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is what? Hypotenuse square is equals to two adjacent side square. So AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. AB is R, represented by R. R is nothing but the resultant of this parallelogram. So r square is equals to AC is P plus Q cos theta. Put this value plus BC square. BC square is Q sin theta square. Simplify it. P plus Q cos theta square is V A plus B bracket square. So A square plus twice AB plus B square. So simplify this one. P square plus 2PQ cos theta plus Q cos square theta plus Q square sin square theta. So Q square from the last two terms, this is a common term Q square, take at the outside of bracket, and in bracket take the cos square theta plus sin square theta. So we know the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So simplify this one. P square plus 2PQ cos theta plus Q square. Then take the square root of this. Then we'll get the resultant. R is nothing but what? Under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. So hence proved. So in this way, two adjacent side of parallelogram and its resultant is nothing but the diagonal of this parallelogram. So this is the law of parallelogram. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next